Kara had been wrestling with agoraphobia and panic symptoms for years, feeling like she was missing out on so much, living in a bubble of fear and isolation. After interviewing Kara, she agreed to join one of my test groups for Power Over Agoraphobia. Through this life-changing program, Kara began to peel back the layers of her anxiety and really reclaiming her confidence and freedom, one step at a time. Hi, I'm Paige Pradko, an anxiety specialist, and I've witnessed firsthand the painstaking challenges and barriers that people face when battling agoraphobia. The fear, the physical symptoms, the isolation, the frustration, and that overwhelming sense of feeling trapped. And to add to the obstacles, getting the guidance and specialized support you need is a whole nother challenge. Now, if you struggle with agoraphobia and panic, you're not alone in this. I've dedicated my life to helping individuals like you navigate through the complexities of agoraphobia and anxiety disorders and reclaim their freedom. Now, with the right tools and support system in place, you can overcome these obstacles and break free from the chains of agoraphobia. That's why I've spent nearly 4 years developing and testing a program that I believe can truly make a difference in your life. And today I'm thrilled to share Power Over Agoraphobia, a step-by-step process to retrain your brain, recover from agoraphobia, and live free. Power Over Agoraphobia isn't just another course. It's a personalized roadmap, and it's designed to guide you through every aspect of your recovery journey. From facing real-life situations to managing anxiety and panic symptoms, you'll learn how to expand your comfort zones while driving, walking, traveling, and attending large public events with confidence. I've poured my heart and soul into creating a program that addresses the very unique challenges and the complexities of recovering from agoraphobia. Now, inside the course, you'll find the transformative 3-step power-up process, along with practical strategies for managing anxiety, conquering specific fears, and sustaining your progress. You'll learn how to plan and track your exposures and what to do and say while you're practicing your exposures. But I didn't stop there. In the past 20 years of helping people recover from agoraphobia, in my clinical practice, I understand that people need community and continued support. This is why I created the WarmHeart Hub, a supportive community. With your enrollment in Power Over Agoraphobia, you'll have the option of taking advantage of a 30-day complimentary trial of the WarmHeart Hub. It's a supportive community of understanding people on a similar journey. And you'll have direct access to me as well. I'll be there to answer your questions so that you have this ongoing support needed to succeed. So if you felt stuck and you're ready to take that first step towards reclaiming your life from agoraphobia, I invite you to join me in Power Over Agoraphobia. Click the link below to paigepradko.com to learn more and enroll today. I'll see you there.